What truly matters to you? There is something that nobody tells you about anxiety. Anxiety is loudest when you're living furthest from what actually matters to you. When your days are full of things you feel you should do, or have to do, or are afraid not to do, but very few things you genuinely want to do, anxiety fills the gap. It is not random, it is a signal, a somewhat painful one, but still a signal. This module is about reconnecting with your values, not in a vague, abstract way, but in a specific, practical one. What are values? They are the things that genuinely matter to you, not the things you think should matter or the things you have been told should matter. The things that, when you are living in alignment with them, make you feel like yourself. Connection, creativity, honesty, adventure, family, service, learning, health, growth. When you know your values clearly, two things happen. First, you can make decisions from a more grounded place rather than from fear. Second, you start to see where your life has drifted away from what matters and you can make adjustments. Many anxious people discover that a large part of their anxiety is driven by living according to other people's expectations rather than their own. They are trying to be what others want them to be rather than who they actually are. That is exhausting, and the body keeps the score. In this module, you will complete the values clarification exercise. Take your time with it. Be honest. There are no right answers, only yours. And then ask yourself one question. Where in my life am I living furthest from these values? The answer is usually where the anxiety is loudest, and that is exactly where to start.